So if you're a rep accessing your limited mobile login in the Ralio app, when you navigate to the content tab, you'll see a bunch of content that your Ralio admin has added to the image library and drop down to your location. This is all content available for you to post to your own personal social media pages. So if you'd like to post to your personal Facebook page, you can choose any piece of content you'd like and just hit the post button. From there at the bottom, you'll see the different social media platforms you're able to post on. I'm going to choose Facebook. You'll get a little reminder just to remind you to be logged into the correct Facebook profile on your mobile device, and that the post text is already copied to your clipboard. So I'm going to say I'm ready to post. You'll see the little Facebook bubble pop up with your piece of content. From there, all you have to do is hit paste, and then you'll see the post text is already there. Then I'll hit next. And this is just asking me where I would like to post the piece of content. Again, we would just say post to your normal news feed. That's the standard way to just share on Facebook. I'm not going to share right now because I don't want to actually post this piece of content, but to actually just post it, just hit share, and you should be all set.